In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable light gray theme Adobe Acrobat. If the bright default interface in Acrobat feels a little harsh on your eyes, switching to the light gray theme is a quick way to soften the look without going full dark mode. This change affects the app's toolbars, panels, and background chrome, helping reduce glare while keeping contrast high enough for comfortable reading and editing. Start by opening the Adobe Acrobat desktop app. This works the same in Acrobat Reader and Acrobat Pro. If you haven't updated in a while, consider checking for updates first, since interface labels can vary slightly between versions. Look to the upper left corner of the app window. In the current interface, you'll often see a small menu button, sometimes shown as 3 stacked lines. Click that to open the main application menu. If your version shows a traditional menu bar across the top, you're already in the right place and can move straight to the View menu. From here, choose View. This menu controls how Acrobat looks and behaves on screen, including zoom options, page display, and the overall theme. In the View menu, find and select Display Theme. This is where Adobe groups the appearance options for the interface. In the Display Theme options, click Light Gray. Depending on your regional settings, you might see it spelled light gray, but it's the same choice. As soon as you select it, Acrobat updates instantly, no restart required. You should notice the top toolbar, side panels, and background areas shift to a softer light gray tone. Your PDF content itself won't change. The theme only affects the application frame, which keeps your documents accurate while making the workspace easier on your eyes. If you don't see display theme or light gray, double check that you're in the desktop version, not a browser preview, and that you're updated to a recent release. Also note that Acrobat can sometimes respect your system appearance. If it seems to switch back when your computer changes modes, set the theme here again to lock it in. A quick tip, this setting doesn't alter the white page area of the PDF. That page background is tied to how the document is authored and your page display preferences. The light gray theme simply refreshes the surrounding interface so long sessions feel more comfortable. That's all you need. Open Acrobat, go to the menu in the upper left, choose View, select Display Theme, and pick Light Gray. Enjoy a cleaner, softer interface that keeps you focused on your work without the glare.